Tired of dealing with the discomfort of dry eyes? You're not alone. Whether it's due to excessive screen time, environmental factors, or underlying health conditions, dry eyes can be a real nuisance. But fear not. There are natural remedies that can provide you with effective relief and restore your eyes' moisture balance. In this blog post, we'll delve into the causes of dry eyes and explore traditional treatments as well as the incredible benefits of using natural remedies. From home remedies to essential oils and helpful tips for prevention and management, get ready to discover a world of soothing solutions for those irritated peepers. So sit back, relax, and let us guide you towards healthier, happier eyes naturally. Understanding dry eyes and its causes. Dry eyes, as the name suggests, occur when your eyes don't produce enough tears or the quality of the tears is compromised. Tears play a vital role in keeping our eyes lubricated and nourished. They help to wash away debris, reduce the risk of infection, and provide clear vision. When we experience dry eyes, it can result in discomfort, irritation, redness, and even blurry vision. There are several factors that can contribute to dry eyes. One common cause is age. As we get older, our tear production tends to decrease. Hormonal changes in women during menopause can also lead to dry eye symptoms. Environmental factors such as dry climates or exposure to smoke and wind can exacerbate the problem. Spending too much time staring at screens, whether it's a computer monitor or smartphone, can strain your eyes and make them feel drier than usual. Contact lens wearers may also experience dryness due to reduced oxygen flow between their lenses and their corneas. Traditional treatments for dry eyes. When it comes to treating dry eyes, there are several traditional methods that have been widely used. One common treatment is the use of artificial tears, which are lubricating eye drops that help moisturize and soothe dry eyes. These drops can be purchased over the counter or prescribed by a doctor. Another traditional treatment option is the use of ointments or gels that provide long-lasting lubrication for the eyes. These products are typically thicker than eye drops and can be applied before bedtime to prevent dryness throughout the night. In some cases, doctors may recommend punctal plugs as a more permanent solution for chronic dry eyes. These tiny silicone or gel plugs are inserted into the tear ducts to block drainage, helping to keep tears on the surface of the eyes longer. For individuals with severe dry eye symptoms, prescription medications such as cyclosporin may be prescribed. Cyclosporin works by reducing inflammation in the tear glands, allowing them to produce more natural tears. It's important to consult with an eye care professional before starting any traditional treatments for dry eyes. They will be able to assess your specific Natural remedies for dry eyes have gained popularity in recent years due to their numerous benefits. Unlike traditional treatments that may contain chemicals and synthetic ingredients, natural remedies offer a more holistic approach to relieving dry eye symptoms. One of the main benefits of using natural remedies is that they are generally safer and gentler on the eyes. Many over-the-counter eye drops can cause temporary stinging or irritation, but natural remedies often provide soothing relief without any negative side effects. Another advantage is that natural remedies can be easily accessed and prepared at home. From warm compresses made with chamomile tea bags to homemade saline solutions, these alternatives are affordable and readily available. Furthermore, natural remedies often target not only the symptoms but also the underlying causes of dry eyes. For example, certain herbs like bilberry and eyebright have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and inflammation in the eyes. Home remedies for dry eyes. Dry eyes can be a frustrating and uncomfortable condition to deal with. While there are traditional treatments available, you may also consider trying some natural remedies to find relief. These home remedies are not only cost-effective but can also provide effective relief without any harsh chemicals or side effects. One simple home remedy for dry eyes is using warm compresses. Applying a warm compress to your closed eyelids can help soothe the irritation and increase moisture in your eyes. You can make a warm compress by soaking a clean washcloth in warm water and placing it over your closed eyes for 10–15 minutes. Another effective home remedy is practicing good eye hygiene. This includes keeping your eyelids clean, avoiding rubbing or touching your eyes excessively, and removing any eye makeup before going to bed. By maintaining good eye hygiene, you can prevent debris or bacteria from irritating your eyes further. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, including the health of your eyes. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep your body hydrated, which in turn promotes proper tear production and prevents dryness. Incorporating omega-3 fatty acids into your diet has shown promising results in relieving dry eye symptoms. Foods rich in omega-3s include fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and trout, flaxseed oil, chia seeds, and walnuts. Essential oils for dry eyes relief. When it comes to finding natural remedies for dry eyes, essential oils can be a game changer. These potent plant extracts are known for their therapeutic properties and have been used for centuries to promote healing and well-being. One of the most effective essential oils for relieving dry eyes is lavender oil. Lavender has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and irritation in the eyes. Simply dilute a few drops of lavender oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil, and gently apply it around the eye area. Another great option is chamomile oil. Chamomile has soothing properties that can provide relief from itching and discomfort caused by dry eyes. You can create an eye compress by soaking a clean cloth in warm water infused with chamomile oil, then placing it over your closed eyes for 10–15 minutes. Peppermint oil is also beneficial for dry eyes due to its cooling effect. It helps to stimulate tear production and provides instant relief from dryness and burning sensations. Dilute a drop of peppermint oil with a carrier oil, such as jojoba or olive oil, then gently massage it into the skin around your eyes. Tips to prevent and manage dry eyes naturally. Dry eyes can be a bothersome and uncomfortable condition, but the good news is that there are several natural remedies for dry eyes that can provide effective relief. By understanding the causes of dry eyes and exploring traditional treatments as well as natural alternatives, you can find the best solution for your needs. One of the main benefits of using natural remedies is that they often have fewer side effects compared to conventional treatments. Additionally, many natural remedies focus on addressing underlying causes rather than just providing temporary relief. This holistic approach can lead to long-term improvement in overall eye health. When it comes to home remedies for dry eyes, there are several options you can try. One simple remedy is applying warm compresses to your closed eyelids for about 10 minutes a few times a day. This helps to stimulate tear production and soothe dryness. Another helpful tip is to increase your intake of omega-3 fatty acids through foods like fish or supplements. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce inflammation in the eyes and promote better tear production. Essential oils can also be beneficial in relieving dry eyes symptoms when used properly. A popular choice is chamomile essential oil, which has anti-inflammatory properties and promotes relaxation. Dilute a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut oil and gently massage around your eye area before bed.